look at Lieber going for a big seat grab. In there. Looks like he's tweaking that thing over. A little catwalk action. Chris Brock doing a knack-knack with the foot in the grab hole right there. Whoa, we got another backflip. He looks like it looks like William throwing down. Keeping it smooth, keeping all these tricks nice and fluid. He said, I think this man has the Fuel Girls on his mind. What do you say? Oh, check out the cliffhanger skills going on. Ripping up Chris Brock, laying that thing out. We call that a laying down no-footed match. Whoa, big Superman whip right there. Kicking that bike out. Going off right here. Monster Energy Battlefield. Check that out. I don't even know the name of that trick. It doesn't have a name. That is sick right there. Inverted no-footed can. Looking back at the crowd. Oh my goodness, we got a big anti-whip busting out, big saran wrap, one-hander lander, tricks getting all kinds of technical. These guys say win, what win? Bring it on, we are going big. It's what it's all about here in FMX, the Monster Energy Battlefield. Big, huge double grab, coming back, not even checking the bike, just jumping back on that bike. A topside no-footed match. Check it out, going bigger, bigger, double grab. Oh my goodness, these guys are tearing it up. Download, you need to give these guys some props and make some noise out there. Busting out a rock solid, laying that thing out. No hands, just sailing that bike down the downside, tweaking his body back up once again. Another backflip. One-handed lander. That's ready with a sick whip. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to end this one right. We need some more noise out there. Yes, yes, yes. Nice flatty whip right there to Chris Brock. Here comes another whip. This might be the whip train coming on. Really checking it out, having a little word. What do you say, guys? You want to get a train going out here? Can we get 4 bikes up at the same time? Little train action. We are going to get something lined up. Right here, we're going to finish the last show off right. Talking it over. Bringing all the guys back to the ramp one last time. Come on, down low. Let's charge them up. Get it going the right way. Booyah, backflip, sick flip, backflip, no hander, and a backflip, knack-knack. That is what it's all about. Now look, put your hands together for Chris Brock, Remy Bourgeois, Lieber, and William Van Der Boot in Monster Energy.